Welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today is all about 5 under 5 DIY challenge. I'm gonna talk to you about that a little later, but for now, let's go ahead and start with our first project. I have this little fishbowl from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try to make this look like a pumpkin, and the colors that I will be using is going to be crispy green, white, and orange. I'm gonna start with the green one, and as you see, I'm making stripes only in the inside of this fishbowl, and I will continue to do that with the white and the orange. Now all the colors are nice and dry and they are all blend in. I'm coming in with a lot of Mod Podge and I'm gonna seal these colors in only because we're gonna be using some floral and we don't want that paint to scrape. And now everything is nice and dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit of floral foam in here that I have recycled. And this floral, some of it was left over. I got it from the bottom of my stash. Also, I purchased 2 of these floral bundles this year. And now it's time to put all of this together. I'm gonna start arranging these beautiful flowers inside this fishbowl for a stunning display. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section your thoughts. And now I'm going to be showing you the final review. I am totally in love with this piece.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray.
And today is all about 5 under 5 DIY challenge. We have to create 5 DIYs under $5, and this month theme is fall floral. This airs every 5th of each month at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and this is being hosted every single month by Missy Crafty Cove DIY and also Emily Farm Charm Chic. And the guest host this month is Linda Faith Chic 777's DIY by Design. I'll be leaving the links directly to their channels down below in my description box along with a playlist. Make sure to visit every single one of them and show them love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And now let's continue with our next project. For our next project, I'm gonna be mixing some baking soda with acrylic paint. The color is khaki, and the candle holder also recycled from several years. And I wanted to leave this little mistake so you guys can know that we are not perfect and we make so many mistakes, and we just edit the video so you won't see the mistakes that we make. We only let you see what we want you to see. One of my sweet viewers said, wow, you make it look so easy, and when I try, I make so much of a mess. And I say, yes, that's us too, behind the scene. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat to the entire piece. So now that the candle holder is completely dry, I'm coming in with this jute twine and I'm going to wrap it around several times around the candle holder. I'm gonna put this to the side for a minute and I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this little basket. This is from Dollar Tree. They have the oval one and the round, and they come in 3 different colors: white, black, and gray. I'm gonna be putting plenty of hot glue on this floral foam. I'm gonna be filling it in with some of this dry grass, if that's what you can call it. I bought this at Dollar Tree many years ago, and I'm also gonna be adding some of these loose leaves from the bottom of my stash, along with some pumpkins. And we are almost done with plenty of hot glue. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to this candle holder, and I will adhere it to the basket. I hope you enjoy this beautiful project. For our next project, I have this beautiful piece that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and of course this is $125. I'm going to relocate this jute twine, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and distress the inside of this beautiful frame, and I'm going to distress it with white chalk paint. I also purchased this ceramic vase at Dollar Tree several years ago. I'm gonna take this beautiful ribbon, and with some hot glue, I'm just gonna glue it right here. So now the ribbon is completely put in place, and with some more hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to this beautiful frame. For this video, I really didn't go crazy buying a lot of items, so I decided to use whatever I had in my stash. So I have also these beautiful flowers, and I am going to be putting them right in here. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. And for our next DIY, I also purchased this beautiful owl last year, or I don't know, I think it was 2 years ago, I'm not sure, but it was in the bottom of my stash as well. I am going to be giving it one coat with this melted chocolate color, and I'm going to be doing that to the entire piece. I also want to remind you to please visit everyone on this playlist. You will not regret it. These talented ladies have so much inspiration for you. And as you can see Diva's little tail, look at her. She's just waggling her tail all over. The owl is completely painted and dry. I took this metallic gold paint. I'm going to dip my finger in it, and then I'm just going to rub the owl only on the areas that are raised. Shoelace bow with this jute twine, and with some hot glue, I'm going to glue it right in front of the owl. Moving on to these Jenga blocks, I'm going to go ahead and make 8 sets of 2, and I'm going to be gluing them with hot glue. And now now with some more hot glue, I'm gonna glue them just as so. And I'm gonna do that to all of them. And these are gonna be my legs for a tray. Adding more hot glue to these Jenga blocks, and these are going to go on each corner of this beautiful tray. I purchased this at a garage sale for 25 cents, but they do sell them at the dollar store for $1.25. This is the way it's looking so far. Now with some more hot glue, I got this floral foam and I am going to be placing it with a lot of hot glue right in the center of this beautiful tray. I also have lots of floral from my stash. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them individually. I'm gonna start placing them around the floral foam. And now we have to keep the cost down. We cannot go over the $5. But again, you know, I really didn't spend nothing because I had everything on hand. But if you were going to go ahead and buy it, then you would have to make sure to add less flowers because that's where the cost goes. But because again, I had these leftover floral, most of it, I really didn't spend much money. The tray cost me 25 cents. The owl cost me $1 and the rest went in floral. As you can see, I added the owl on top. I also added a couple of pumpkins that I had in the bottom of my stash. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. Please let me know in the comment section your thoughts. For our fifth and final project, I have this beautiful flower pot that my son gave me. He gave me 3 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same ribbon that I used earlier, and with some hot glue, I will be adhering it to this beautiful pot. Look at how beautiful this mirror window is. This I purchased at Dollar Tree. I have this corner bracket I already painted off camera with white chalk paint, and I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to make sure that it stays in place while I come back with a screw and screw it in. I want to make sure that my flower pot is not going to be falling off. Now that this is all put in place, I'm coming in with some white chalk paint and I'm gonna go ahead and paint the screw in white. And now for a lot more hot glue, I'm gonna place right up here on this bracket. I wanna make sure that my flower pot is not going to fall out. Dear friends, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just remember that it is completely free. And I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Let me know which of these 5 projects you liked the best, and don't forget that big thumbs up. Now I have some floral foam. I'm gonna put it right in here, and with a little bit of magic, voila, there's pumpkin and leaves. Did you see that? I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget that big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and like. And like that, I'll see you in my next video.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray, ooh.